Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a question, June 2020, and box whisker idea is there, and 52 variant. So let's start. Question mentioned here, there are, sorry, there are two machines, A and B, produce metal rods of certain type. The length of meters of the 19 rods produced machine A and 19 rods for machine B. It means if you add them all, you got a N is equal to 19 here and N is equal to 19 here. Very clearly mentioned here. All right. This is a number of rods for both category. He took a sample of 19 rods, okay. And he said my back-to-back diagram is plotted, stem leaf diagram is plotted. So find the median interquartile of machine A. Okay, so let's try to solve it. Median, what is the median formula, student? Normally we use, I'm writing for you, median formula is n plus 1 divided by 2. N is 19, 19 plus 1 divided by 2, I got 20, 10th term. And start from this is smallest number 1, so it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it means this number is my answer. But what is the way of writing? You can see the what is given here, the key. So for example, how to read this, students? Look at here, readings technique. You put a decimal with beside of 2 and then read 227. You can see clearly. Then how to read this one? 0.238. So median is becoming here what? Median. Wait a minute, maybe space issue, so I'm writing it below. So median of that is 0.238 in meters. I hope so you got the point. What I said, so median is over. All right. He said interquartile. How to get interquartile? Upper quartile formula, all must know it. Same n plus, but 3/4 of n plus 1. 3/4, 75%, you can say. 3 times 2, 19 plus 1, and here 4. So this is a 20. So 4, 5, 15th place. 15th place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This number looking for, put decimal here, 0.24 and 5. So it means upper quartile is coming 0.245 meters. All right, let's talk about the lower quartile, and formula for low quartile is 1 of n plus 1 by 4. So if I apply this formula, 19 plus 1, 20 by 4, we got a 5th term. So because there's a 1/4 is a lower, 3/4 is upper. 1/4 also called 25%. 5th term is this 4 and there's a 5th. So 0.231. So 0.231. Let me recheck. Yes. So this is a lower quartile, but he's asking us what? Interquartile. So subtract. So IQ stands for upper quartile minus lower quartile. Upper quartile is 0.245 minus 0.231. So if I subtract, I get what here? You know it very well. If I subtract, okay, 4 comes here and 1 and 0.
0.014.
0.14, okay, meters. So IQ understood this part is very, very clear. And let's go for the next part and have a look before I start this one. Okay, wait a minute. This is, all right. Okay, so let's try to do this ourselves, okay, completely. So what is that? That the two plots are there, box whisker A and B plot. B given by him is data is mentioned here. And when I do it, what I do always, what I need, we need 5 things. Let me write all 5 things. So first of all, the smallest value. Then I need largest value. So 5 things I repeat: smallest value, largest value, largest value. Then I'll need median. Then I need upper quartile, then I need lower quartile. So 5 things we need always to do this kind of box plot. So smallest value from here is 0.22, so 0.220 I got from here. And largest value 0.245 here, so 0.2525 and 4 comes from here. And the median I just got it from here, 0.238. and upper quartile I got 245.245 meters, and lower quartile I got 0.231. So this data is very clear. I will take this whole data and cut from here and paste here. So this data I'm going to use now. All of you get ready. So let's see how we can do it. First of all, and very interesting part here, whenever we make it together, we have to look upon what is the smallest number. Smallest number is 0.21 and the largest number is 0.256. So 0.21, let me read again, 0.2211 and largest 0.256. 256 I got from here. Actually, we take the whole sample, not a right side, not even left side, for a whole sample. Largest among whole sample and smallest among the whole sample. I think you got my point very clear. So this value, I will use it here. So I'm not doing question only, I'm teaching the concept. So let's see now. Now this is a values 0.2. Okay, 0.2, this is a very clear. Hold on, I repeat again. What is the method of, because he did not given any scale. What is method? This is fixed number, you can see, but this numbers we have to focus carefully. So 11, okay, this number I can make it. How I can make it? If you look at carefully, this is 21 and 25. I think this is okay to understand. 0.21. If I take 0.21 here, 0.21 here, so 22232425. So this is a way I think you can make it. Again, repeat. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I think you can make it, and 26. So I think this idea is better. This idea is better. I repeat what I'm going to say. Hold on. Let me write it. Then I show you what I'm going to say. Repeat. 0.241 I got from here. You're going to say, why, sir, you don't care about that last digit? I tell you why I don't care about last digit. You will come to know, inshallah. So I care about the 0.21 and 25. And 21, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. Okay, now have a look now. For example, if you ask me, okay, this scale along x-axis is important, along y-axis scale is not important. Okay, okay, this is very clear. Now let's start. For example, let's discuss about the, this is a machine. Okay, let's talk about a machine. Where is 0.220? 0.220, 0.22 here, and 0 is same. So I make it here, 220 here somewhere. I make here. All right, make this here. So this is called smallest value. Largest value 0.254. 0.25 is this. Now maybe now you realize that why I, okay, look at here. Let me tell you one thing. Because there are 10 boxes. Look at here. I make it zoom for you. These are 10 boxes. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For example, my question is from myself even. So what is this value? You can say this number is 0.21. 0.211. What is this number? 0.212. So what is this number? 0.213. What is this number? 0.215. What is this number? 0.219. I believe now you feel better and you're understanding why I make this kind of scale. So I think point is very, very clear. 0.220 is this value. And 0.254, 0.254. 0.25 is here, 0.251, 0.25, and 0.2545 here. So it means this number is 0.254. So 0.254, and I will make it this kind of line. And I think you've understood why I make one box back, because clear. Now this is clear. Let's talk about the these two values done. Now I talk about the median. What is median? 0.23 is where? 0.23 is here. What is this? What's number 8? So it means 0.31, 2, 3, 5, and 8 is two backs behind 0.24. So I am going to make a line, this kind of line. I believe you got the idea very clear. And further, what is the lower quartile? 0.245. 0.24 is here. Okay, 0.24 is here. Wait a minute, please. Yeah, and 5 is where I make a line, then you can realize it, then why I drew it here. 0.231, 3 is here, and one box ahead, so is 3, 1. I believe you understanding. So now join these three lines, join these three lines from here, and join from the middle, and join from middle. For your knowledge, that the width of the what this is called, width of the box can be changed. You make this kind of width, you make this kind of width, so no issue at all. So I have taken this, so I'm writing even here A box, A machine, sorry. Same manner, I will go for machine B, and machine B data is mentioned here. So machine B, median is okay. Machine A B, okay. Wait a minute. This is a machine A, correct? Okay. Now machine B, I took from here sample the lowest and the least value, the largest value. I took already from machine B. So that is why 0.211 here. So this one representing one box. So I am going to make here. Wait a minute, students. I am going to make here. All right, done. So now 0.256. 0.25 is here, and this 6 means 6 boxes ahead. So look, wait a minute. I'm going to do here. Now clear. So these two values done, upper, highest and lowest value. Now median. 0.23 is where here. And these two represent 2 boxes ahead. Okay, now let's talk about low quartile. 0.224. 224 means 4 boxes, I think. You understanding? And now upper quartile 0.243. 243 means 3 boxes. Okay, I believe it is very, very clear what I am doing, inshallah. And you understanding. One more thing I tell you, some teacher make here dots like this. Correct answer. Some teacher make this kind of lines. Correct. Or some teacher make full line like this, like this. Even this also correct, not wrong at all. All 3 options are correct. I believe up till here idea is very clear, and we have done it. Alhamdulillah, 3 marks. Now come back. How make 2 comparison between the lengths of the rods produced by AB? So we have to consider lengths. You can see very clearly, students. One thing is very clear. This length of even we can see the box whisker, this family. Look at here. Here data is, look, this is a 0.250, 0.25134. You can say here lengths are more. You can say in second number, like for example, the length of rod of A is bigger. You can say that more rods are there of the longer lengths. Okay, so because these are the rods, number of rods. So number of rods 0.25, because only one rod of B category, B machine 0.56, only one rod in the lengthy. But A machine producing more length, like 0.250 meter length, 0.251 meter length, 0.253 meter length, 0.254 meter length. So you can say that machine A, I'm writing here, machine A produces more number of rods, in lengthwise, or lengthwise, you can say lengthwise, as compared to machine B. It means there are more number of lengthy rods we make a machine A as compared to B rod. Number 2, you can say here spread is less. Here spread is more. Spread is less means this is for example, no value is here. We can see intentionally mentioned here. So spread of A machine is less. You can say that less spread, more consistent. You can say that. Okay, so I can say that machine A spread is less in length. Spread is less in length as compared to machine B. So you can say from here, it means that we can say that machine A is more consistent. Okay, machine A is more consistent. This I think I discussed in detail that you know it very well. More spread, I repeat, a spread is called IQ. Look at here. This IQ is bigger. This IQ, look at here. This interquartile is smaller. This interquartile is bigger. You can say from here. And less IQ. So you know it very well. Less IQ, more consistent. Bigger IQ is less consistent. This is a rule we discussed already. Okay. So I hope so. The concept is completely over.